Go school na near to Yanara, Assassini, a board, and they might mote said yet to John Mahama, Assassini, on the
Afia baby, I will be as said John Mahama, Mousikada, said Lodina Mousikada, and with the Ayo Mayeda, Biabowe.
Queen Afia Schwar abe react to a video be a trend wo media ne so ama me bi ejina nsuo ho a oburu ni mia.
Can't talk something to say you they curse me. You they curse me over money with person thief.
Aha, let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I make sure so be subscribe e dey am me na free. Wa click on notification bell no say the bear. Any upload bi am bi an sabiti me aka na wa share e dey am me. Make sure say obe share na afofo nso abehye. Don't forget to like. Na Queen Afia Schwar yenim so oni delay entemu die gidi bi wo ho a chese. Afia Schwar empe delay din ate kra ne so ba live na wo comment delay die ne so wo je ne left right center because of interview bi ye delay any MCI ebo akoye ye cause sparkle a lot of speculations kwotwetwensem bebre ba ya Afia Schwar ebe claim say flag bearer bi sabi ene eye delay da no no ane to ka nyina ma no kokeka nsem bebre na all kasa ne na no kofom ye o se wo share da o yenim ene o mampanyi John Mahama mampanyi dada wo je na nkasa I had to say yenim say years back there 4 years back before say beto abai His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo no na Queen Afia Schwar e support e yo mampanyi dada John Mahama ye need the see asisi ade o se o support eye the MPP the science ene o kasa bia de ene ye mampanyi dada John Mahama de de bia wo tutu bi e de mane na nkasa na je se wo kasa wo pema na ene o kasa guess na edi ni sika ene ensema kese de o ka bi ankasa na sisi aso de waba aba bury atitu eye duabo bi a maame bi akobo no maame ni bo ni dua due to the fact say maame ne say Queen Afia Schwar sorry a mampanyi dada John Mahama na wo de no adane twia pia a chese de bia wo si na no a wo ye no ne santi ana wo de beburu ni nia no by Ghana TV 7 kan cho se hu behia se ye Ghana for you patronize made in Ghana goods na aboa mo my Ghana timi akona ni santi so we ye made in Ghana goods nkwande a obitima a short video of what you produce no send it ama na business wo screen so no ye bebo mu de rama free wo hia nche mu bia mistress so be free numbers no ye bebo wo nche mu by Ghana TV stream 247 e local box kopiem e wo YouTuber stream 247 e wo sanso e na Google Play Store app no wo betimi a download na woni ye interact na eduabo na maame ne e bebo ye Queen Afia Schwar no eni
Afia Schwar say I saw Ghana che and then me the waba Togo. Oh, me the waba Togo. And then me person me say only delay via board and family who but diabo we me ba bebo no. John Mahama asem na aka wanum na odidi nkwasi asem no. Afia baby a wo bia say John Mahama ma usikada. Said Lodina ma usikada. And we di eyo mayeda diabo we me bodua enku. Ewia so anfa wo manen da ase. Di obeba be commenting kwasi comment e wo me DM mu anaso obeba be chon kwasi comment e wo me page ase wo udi aboniye wo a wo se wonti ase Afia ma petition ye we e pure petition enya Ghana di o ayafra we ye Togo die Afia hwensuo na wo ho no mikro mu nsuo no baga se wonim na se John Mahama din ba wa no biom na se wo papa ni din edi na tembiom a Afia baby a obefa bia unum nsu a enye moja wo wiyem o kam o bo John Mahama din a no mi ani wiase mewie ye na emma wo so nya me kan me sili ni nsa we baby a obegine bia obebo John Mahama din Afia wa hu nsu we
sia edua lulu o chese nye Ghana ha kura o chese maame no mutumu se nani abre wode ntuma boni mu a chese wakogina nsuo no ho ani wode posua hwe no wode nsa egu a enya asem ketewa na after jiabo no Queen Afia Schwar aba ene oba ye ne die ene wa bebiebie nsem so a chese otutu bi ede mane maame na nkasa ene nsem die okan bi efa ye omampanyi dada John Mahama ho yintie ne no asem ne bi
Escalawas, assholes. Adaya, say where did John Mahama's abua kwasia. Come here, do my mom and then come to Jamaica. One Jimmy. Me here, do my man and go to Jamaica. Anya me adwuma no tua me kasa no na afa ne sadia. And scan on the man so no. A national cake. Who need tragedy? When you are done, go and show us who government official one is. A boy, Afia.
What's going over here?
Stupid people.
Name and age and what is your
Sorry, Amy, I'm a nice person.
I'm 30 years old. I popped because I don't know physical attraction with this.
I don't know what is going on.
No, I don't know if it was like all my.
I'm lost.
Amy, don't worry.
I feel like there's something worse.
I'm lost now.
Right?
But I somebody say, where did John Mahama scout? One can hear John Mahama no. Come in, could dinner, mammy, binion. What I want some way more. Welcome no NDC.
I'm not really attractive, but she.
How can you tell Yemi as you are doing my hair, won't I pay you?
You're going to pay me.
So now
Good
that
money.
So now somebody will get up and say, if you have chopped my money, may God kill you. Money you work for. Foolish people. Money you worked for. Scallywags. Assholes. I don't go do again by force.
What do you have to see for there to be a connection?
I don't go. Let's say he was giving me money and I said I wouldn't take it again. That one too, now force. Now force.
Yeah.
Oh, fui.
That's pretty much it. I'm sorry.
Sweps.
No, she's so.
I swear. Abua.
Why not?
Obey ye can kind. Mujimie.
I don't even hear all the things that you're saying. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
It's so funny.
Yeah, me.
I don't do this. All right.
As you see me, so me, I know correct too. When I'm leaving, I write my name, then you Google me.
Okay.
When I'm leaving, I go write my name down. Then you go take 24 hours and Google me and read about me.
Oh my God.
That's how you say, hey, let me open my door for this wahala.
The physical attraction agencies and that's
Oh
really
my God.
Yeah. So what does that mean for you?
These people they act as if they chop winch. Who you want to talk shit to? Scallywags.
bit. Just a little bit.
Can't talk something say you they curse me. You they curse me over money where person thief. No be say he thief cry he share with me. He didn't even give me a fraction.
I appreciate that.
Oh fool you watch it.
Yeah, can you take
Your
your glasses
name and
off
age and what gender popping your balloon.
My name is Shanice and I'm 31.
That's the best punishment. If I take off my glasses, I become humble. I don't see anything.
I was so
Yeah.
Kobo yeah. Hey, say. Me wa hon so anipa wan na beka sase ma chema kwasie bi sa Afia stadium.
Okay, what does that mean?
Afre me say. Ma me bi si wadi John Mahama sika ensuo nya. Na me se ne Afia na abewu first aboa.
Thank you. Let's go.
Wo na abewu first. John Mahama no sika na Ghana for sika.
Hi, my name is Naila.
E Ghana for sika e no mu ye nyina ye die.
Because my stepdad
Trust the trim treba board and want it.
remind me of health.
See em
I do
penny.
weird stuff like that. But
Mo jara ye go school na ne to ye na ya asasini e ya board de ma mo te se ye to John Mahama na asasini una de
not a big deal to me, but yeah. Okay. Got it. No, she's someone that
me
you
want
You can put it back.
I can put it back in. Thank you.
So you can read your comments very well.
Thank you. Let's go over here. Your
Oh my
name and age
God.
and what gender popping your balloon. Australia and
Yeah, me, I know they
36.
correct like that. Yes, I see they see me so. I am a national problem.
Why now?
I chose to be so.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Age and what gender popping your balloon.
Ghanaians don't deserve peace,
It was just kind of
and I won't give them one.
a little bit nervousness, but I mean, if that very well be, I popped right away. So that was just the reason.
Yeah, if I tell you, say, now me they own the country called Ghana, you won't believe it. But I am the official owner.
I don't know. I think you have
Which
to be a little
country?
bit more.
Ghana.
Okay. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm the owner. I'm the owner of the country Ghana. Now me own them.
Okay. Since I know you now, I don't become rich.
is she someone that
I no get shishi. You know, here Ghana, we get broke that country.
How can you be coming the owner of Ghana and you don't get shishi?
Because the people where I rented the country to, now them they make my money.
Right. Well, that
Take it back from them. then.
Me where I get the country, I can't lease them to some few people. Now then they make the money.
Take it back.
I don't know. Because I said the contract will be and them sign. I don't read them.
Ebusia said Afia Schwar SC no na o se ye adwuma na oyeye itu oje na ketia na o chire ma time na o support eye NDC no na ye adwuma na oye. She was in business enti so wo ye adwuma de ya oji aketia enti se ma me ni ibodua se wajiska wo ye o mampanyi dada John Mahama ho ne ne ho kani eho edidi a na tese ono adwuma wo ye ehu sika na ogidi ye enti maame no emfa na asem kwa ye de enko baby kra. Any comment bi a wo bi a mesro so obeja e comment section ho e de amami any update bi aba am sign e de baba besomo na me kan mo se ye beto aba aka just emreta wa bia na ye ba beto aba enti mesro wo se ya somdue ehu hia ye Ghana for ansana any political party eba me santi yembo ya somdue no ho ban se de be ya o my Ghana betimi akonim na ye nchirima amebre bidin edina na ekwa santoa makram